Miss USA is Aliyah Egon Cor. Her favorite food is pink and her favorite color is a yellow. She wants to be a nurse someday. Next is Miss Malaysia. Miss Malaysia is Alisa Jane D. Villapanto. Her favorite food is scrambled egg and she wants to be a doctor. Next is Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Miss Philippines is Arabella B. Morales. Her favorite food is hotdog and favorite color is pink. Next is Miss Sri Lanka. Miss Sri Lanka is Janibel J. Dos Manos. Her hobby is to play with her Barbie doll. And her highest ambition is to be a doctor. Next is Miss Korea. Miss Korea is Akisha Shaniel C. Basilia. Next is Miss Pakistan. Miss Pakistan is Sarah May and Mayoga. Her hobby is to dance, and her favorite food are candies and cake. And she wants to be a doctor someday. Next is Miss China. Miss China is Raisha M. Sangabo. Miss Raisha loves to ride in her bike, and her favorite food is ice cream, and wants to be a teacher someday. Next is Miss Brazil.
Ganda
Miss
ng
Brazil
physics na rin
is
siya bagay sa
Penelope
kanya.
and A. Landrico.